Hi everyone, today we're going to show you how to fit some brand new tines to your tractor. Having new tines on your tractor can not only help with efficiency and productivity, but also safety. Let's get started and show you how to find the correct tines for your tractor, but also how to fit them. We're going to be fitting SHW tines to our tractor. At Sparex, we offer a huge range of SHW tines. First up, we have our long, straight tine, which can be used on a bale spike. We then have our curved tine, which can be used on a muck grab. And then we have a cranked tine, which can be put on loaders for scraping out livestock. It prevents the main frame of the loader scraping along the ground, causing wear and tear. Another thing to consider is whether your tine needs to be a Conus 1 or a Conus 2. Conus 1 tines have a smaller circumference near to the end of the thread, whereas with a Conus 2 tine, they have a bigger circumference at the end of the thread and are often used for bigger jobs. And finally, we need to measure our old tine. We get a tape measure and measure the length of the tine. So that's from the end of the thread all the way to the point. We then need to measure from the front of the loader frame to the back of the thread of the tine. We believe that SHW tines are some of the best tines on the market. They are made by a roll-forged process in Germany, ensuring uniformity and quality. They are made by a specific silicon steel, meaning that they are flexible when pushed to their limit, whilst maintaining strength and durability. Now let's get our tractor ready to fit our new tines. Find a level surface, engage the parking brake, and lower the implement or attachment where the tines are located. Don't forget to disconnect any hydraulic lines or electrical connections. Next, gather your tools and parts. You'll need your new SHW loader tines, a set of wrenches and sockets that fit your loader's bolts, safety glasses, work gloves, and possibly a blowtorch, hammer and punch for any stubborn tines. Now, let's remove the old tines. Using your wrench, loosen off the bolts. If they're a little bit stiff, try using a blowtorch to heat them up, and this should loosen them off. If the tines start spinning, we'd recommend getting an adjustable spanner and securing this in place so that it prevents the tine from spinning within the loader frame. One down, 6 to go. And that is our last tine now off. Now let's grab our new SHW tines and get them fitted. So first of all, let's take the nut off, and then we simply put our tine in, making sure the round side of the nut goes into the frame. We then tighten the nut, and that's our first tine fitted. If your loader frame is a different size, we offer a variety of loader bushes, meaning you can get the perfect fit for your loader frame. Now, let's go ahead and fit the rest of the tines. And there we have it, our new SHW tines fitted to our tractor. Let's go and see them in action. Let's test the new setup. Raise and lower the implement to check for proper function. Adjust the tine depth and angle as needed to achieve optimal performance. Just one more thing, make sure to keep an eye on your tines for any wear and tear to make sure that they are at their safest. We've now got our hay bale, so we're ready to feed our cows. If you've got any questions about our SHW tines, drop a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.